Hello everyone, I'm Sidhvita, a member of Krino Forensics. And in this video, we are going to discuss sweat as a forensic evidence. Sweat is often overlooked because it is invisible and easily transferable. But from a forensic point of view, it plays a very important role, especially in touch DNA and trace evidence analysis. So, before going into details, let me briefly explain the structure of today's lecture. We will start with a basic introduction to sweat, then we will discuss its components and composition. After that, we will see the detection techniques used in forensic examinations, and finally, we will understand the forensic significance of sweat. Now, let us begin with the introduction. Sweat is a watery secretion produced by sweat glands present in the skin. Its main function is thermoregulation, meaning it helps in controlling body temperature and it also helps in excreting waste products from the body. Now, sweat is produced by two types of glands, and this is very important from a forensic perspective. The first type is eccrine glands. These glands found all over the body and they secrete watery sweat mainly to help in cooling the body. The second type is apocrine glands. These glands are located in the areas such as armpits and groin. These produce thicker sweat and most active during emotional stress. This difference is important because apocrine sweat is often associated with emotional or stress related activities, which can have forensic relevance. Now, let us look at the composition of sweat. Sweat is composed of 99% water. The remaining components include electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and chloride. It also contains metabolites like urea, lactic acid, and amino acids. In addition, sweat may contain trace epithelial cells, and these cells are important because they can provide DNA. Sweat can also carry drug and toxin residues if such substances are present in the body. Now, let us discuss how sweat is detected in forensic investigations. Many times, sweat is not visible to the naked eye, so special techniques are used. An alternative light sources is used to visualize the latent sweat stains on different surfaces. The Ninhedrin test reacts with amino acids present in sweat, produces a purple color which is known as Ruhmann's purple. Iron fuming is another technique used for temporary visualization of sweat traces, which appears brown in color. DFO reacts with amino acids and produces fluorescence under specific light conditions. Apart from the basic detection, advanced techniques are also used. DNA profiling can be performed using epithelial cells present in the sweat residues. Along with this, techniques like GCMS or LCMS are used to detect and confirm the presence of drugs or toxins in sweat. The Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy is also used to analyze the biochemical components of sweat. And along with this all, ELISA is also used to detect specific hormones, proteins, or drug metabolites present in sweat samples. Now, let us understand forensic significance of sweat. Sweat can act as a source of DNA, as it may contain epithelial cells with nuclear DNA. It plays a very important role in touch DNA, especially on objects that have been handled, such as weapons, tools, or clothing. Sweat evidence can help in establishing the time or nature of contact, thereby linking a suspect to an object or a crime scene. It can also be used in drug detection, and sweat patches are sometimes used for monitoring drug abuse. So, to conclude, sweat may seem insignificant, but in forensic science, it can provide crucial trace level evidence. Its role in touch DNA and drug detection makes it valuable biological evidence in modern forensic investigations. Thank you for listening. I hope this lecture helped you to understand the forensic importance of sweat. Please drop your comments below if you have any questions or want us to explain any forensic topic. We would be happy to cover them in future videos. And the presentation document will be shared on our social media channels You can directly access the document from there. Stay tuned for the next video to learn with Krino Forensics.